That's all it takes these days to let the pain pass. When you finally come up for air, you comb your hair, you say a prayer, and we'll let it go. All slip sliding down the rabbit hole of this 21st century mind. Ooh, just when you think you've grown up, turn around and you'll find yourself back on square one. Isn't this fun? The tricks we play, the way we stay the same.